All right, today's project is to get two of these outdoor ceiling flush mount speakers mounted in the porch area here over the seating area. When we wired up the house, we already ran the wires so they're up there and I have a good idea of where they're located. I did take pictures so I could refer back to exactly where the wires are. We're going to get the holes cut using the hole saw that I purchased last week. So let's get started with this project. First step is to measure out the area where we're going to cut our holes. Okay, so now we got both holes cut. You can see I have both wires hanging. It's time to just make the terminations onto the speaker and place them up and screw them into place. Okay, so now we're just going to make the speaker connections red and black, and we're going to pop off the grill so that we can get to the screws to mount it up to the ceiling. Okay, so I have both of the speakers fully installed now. All I have to do is make the connections up on the other side to the amplifier up in the rack closet room there. It was really pretty simple because of the planning that was involved when we built the house. Having the wires already run made it a lot easier than having to run wires once everything is closed up and all the sheetrock is installed. It would have meant a lot of crawling around in tight attic spaces. So the planning made this job very, very simple. And then again, having the right tools, having that hole saw that I was able to cut the holes to size as needed. You saw it was basically cut the hole, attach the wires, mount the speakers up, tighten them. They're self-grabbing, they're outdoor speakers. We should be good to go. All right, everyone. So I hope you like this short, quick project. I thought it came out pretty nice. It's pretty clean and sharp looking. Like I said a few minutes ago, the planning was a big piece. Having those wires pre-run when the house was being built made all the difference in the world, along with having all the right tools to do the job. So if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more of it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out some of the other videos that I have listed here up above. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. And I want to thank you, as I do in every video, for using my Amazon affiliate links. I know they don't change your price, but they do help out the channel. And if you'd like to support the channel in other ways, I do have links to my Patreon page and PayPal down in the video description, along with links if you want to buy me a coffee if you feel so inclined to do so. Once again, my name is Tony with Quick Tech Solutions. As always, please stay safe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.